Hey guys, Lytham from Blackpool SEAT here. Quite a windy day here in Blackpool, so I do apologise if you can't hear me fully. But here we have our 17 plate Leon, finished in a metallic grey. Of course, the previous owner has put a side skirt extension on to make it look similar to a Cupra, and of course the Maxton design front splitter, and of course these 19-inch Cupra alloys. I'll go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. Of course, you can see we do have privacy glass on this car. The previous owner seems to have tinted them as well. Showing the rear alloy just here. And of course, again on the rear, you can just see that we do have another Maxton design rear splitter on the lower end of the bumper. Of course, we do have rear parking sensors. Moving into the boot area now, you can see we have plenty of room in here. The seats fold 60-40 split, and of course you do have your parcel shelf just there. Moving around the vehicle now, showing the rear alloy just here. Of course, on into the rear of the vehicle, you can see we do have the cloth black seats, Isofix mounting points just at the rear, and of course your electric automatic rear windows. Moving into the front now, you can see we have the controls for all four windows, your window lock, and of course the electric adjustment for your wing mirrors. They're also heated and power fold, along with your central locking just there. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but we do have mood lighting just on the door card just there. Moving inside now, you can see we do have your electronic handbrake with brake hold, your DSG gearbox, and of course 2 USB ports with auxiliary port just there. We've got dual climate control along with your touchscreen display just here. On the radio we have your various bands. On the media we have your different sources, satellite navigation, traffic reports, Bluetooth hands-free, and full link. All these are controlled via these buttons just on this side of the steering wheel here, and of course this side controls your voice control and of course your onboard computer just there. The previous owner did put paddle extensions on the flappy paddles, but of course you can see just behind it we have your cruise control and speed limiter on the indicator stalk. And of course on the other side, just behind the paddle, you can see your windscreen wiper stalk. This car has of course done 43,574 miles. And if I haven't already shown you, he has also put an aftermarket steering wheel on with the carbon fibre at the top and the bottom, with the FR logo at the bottom there. Moving back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy just there. Of course we do have SEAT lighting in the front and rear headlights on this car, and while I'm here I'll just quickly show you the Maxton design kit just there. Of course, if you have any further questions or queries on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.